Let's open. What is inside? What is inside of that bag, Mama? Show me what's inside. Ta-da! Is it a candy? No, it's a dentist sticks for your teeth. Gusto din lagi. Let Mama open it for you. Okay? Hindi ko ma-open. Hindi ko ma-open. I need another hand. I can't use my teeth. Let's open it. I'm using my thigh or my knee. Got it. It's now open. Alam ko yun ito titigilan ni Lucky. There he is, guys. It's been a while since we had. There you go again, having a hard time using conjunction. What do you call has, have, had? What do you call that? I forgot. You don't want that, Lucky. I will give that to Miming. You want Miming to eat that? Lucky, eat my dad. Eat my candy. Hindi ko naisip ko. Eat. Ano? Eat it now. Lucky needs some haircut. Look at those here, guys. Ayan. Ang bad ko pinaa. Ang bad ni Mama pinaa. Nawala tuloy ko kasi nasa na, nawala. O, kunyan kakainin ko agad. Hindi ko papaanoin ko, tagalin ko. Eat. Yun lang, guys. Thank you.